Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our hit the kick panel there. Start up our 84 Dodge. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There you see fuel gauge is a quarter, oil pressure is up. Get that to focus in there. You can hear the heater fan. It's radio. Horn works. There's your wipers. Oops. Switch might be a little goofy. There's a 318 we put on. This truck does have air. Runs good. Headlights. So there's just a used motor we put on. We did put some new exhaust on it. That dual exhaust. So it looks like I got to do a little work on them wipers, and that's it. So good running truck. Also a video of it driving. And my walk around 605-695-7391.